Everyone, today we are going to see some concepts in sequence. Sequence is special type of function with domain natural number. It classified as arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. Today we are going to see about arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a type of sequence in which the preceding term is added the same amount of value on the succeeding term. This means is characterized by common difference. For example, see this sequence 3, 5, 7, 9. It continues like this. When we subtract 5 minus 3 equal with 7 minus 5 equal with 9 minus 7, which is 2. This 2 is called common difference. To find any terms of arithmetic sequence, we use the formula an equals to general term equals to first term plus number of term minus 1 times common difference. To derive this formula, let's take this example. First term a1 equals to 3. Second term a2 equals to 5. a2 means first term plus d, which is second term a2, and a3, which is 7. This will be second term plus d, which is a3. Fourth term will be third term plus d. We see that from the second term, which is first term plus d, second term means in this case 5, which is a1 or first term, 3 plus d, 2. So by seeing this pattern, a3 equals to a2 plus d. This is a2 is a1 plus d, a1 plus d plus d, which is equals to a1 plus 2d. When you see a4 equal with a3 plus d, a3 will be a1 plus 2d plus d. This is equal with a1 plus 3d. It continues like this. So for any general term an, it will be a1 plus n minus 1 times d. This is the formula in which you can find in terms of arithmetic sequence. Now, how we can find whether the given sequence is arithmetic or not? For example, when we given with this a general term an equals to 5 minus 2n, how we can know whether this sequence is arithmetic or not? To find whether the given sequence is arithmetic sequence or not, we have to find the succeeding term of the given terms and we subtract the given terms from the succeeding term. In this case, let's calculate for the succeeding term of this term, which is an plus 1. This is equal with 5 minus 2 into, in place of n, put n plus 1. N plus 1. This is equal with 5 minus 2 times n, 2n minus 2 times 1 will be minus 2. This is equal with 5 minus 2 3 minus 2n. Now we have to subtract this term from this term, and if we can get constant number, the sequence is arithmetic sequence, otherwise it is not arithmetic sequence. So a of n plus 1 minus an must give some common difference d or constant number. A of n plus 1, or the succeeding term of this term, will be 3 minus 2n, 3 minus 2n minus the general term an, which is 5 minus 2n, must give us some common difference d or constant number. 3 minus 2n minus 5 plus 2n equals to d. 3 minus 5, this will be 0, which is d. This implies that d equals to minus 2. So we can find the constant number by subtracting preceding term from succeeding term. So this sequence is arithmetic sequence. So we can conclude that an equals to 5 minus 2n will be arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Example B, an equals to n squared. Is arithmetic sequence or not? How we can calculate, how we can know? We first find the preceding term, the succeeding term, which is an plus 1, which is an plus 1, which is n plus 1 square. Just in calculating the value of n plus 1. This will be n plus 1 times n plus 1. This will be n times n square plus n plus n plus 1. This will be n square plus 2n plus 1. Now subtract this from this, an plus 1 minus an. If you can get d, it will be arithmetic progression, otherwise it is not. N plus 1, n square plus 2n plus 1 minus n square, d. N square cancelled by n square, d is not 2n plus 1. So this sequence is not arithmetic sequence since we can't get any constant number. Now when we given two equations, how we can find common difference in what we call first terms or any other terms. Let's, for example, 5/5 term is 19, and the other equation will be a 11 or 11th term will be 43. From the formula, a5 means a1 plus 40. a5 means 19 equals to a1 plus 40. Let's see this equation, first equation, and a11 equals to, from the general formula we have seen before, a1 plus 10d. This will be 43 equals to a1 plus 10d. Let's see this second equation. So by solving these two equations simultaneously, we can find the value of common difference and first term. a1 plus 40 equals to 19. The second equation will be a1 plus 10d, which is equal with 43. By using elimination method, we multiply this by negative. It will be minus a1 plus a1, then we sum up minus a1 plus a1 minus a1 plus a1, it will be 0 minus 4 D plus 10D will be 6D, which is equal with minus 19 plus 43, 24. By dividing by 6 in both sides, D will be 4. Then, to find first term or any other terms, we can inculcate in any of the equation. For example, when you take the first equation, A1 plus 4D equals to 19. A1 plus 4 into D will be 4, which is 19. A1 plus 16 equals to 19. A1 equals to 19 minus 16. A1 equals to 3. So we can find this pattern. And the last D, an equals to minus 1 the power of n. Find or determine whether the given sequence is arithmetic or not and write the answer on comments. Thank you for watching.